Commissioner Donna Miller. It's such an honor to be in the company of our centenarian, 102 years young, nationally respected educator, civil rights and political activist, community leader. The list goes on. The iconic Dr. Timuel Black, and so many distinguished guests like Congressman Davis, my Congresswoman Robin Kelly, University Park Mayor Rudez, Governor State President Dr. Green, and Dr. Barnes, the president of the African American Ladies Legacy Foundation. The Governor State University in my district will serve as the home of the Illinois Black Hall of Fame, lifting up our notable African Americans whose legacies of hard work and hard-won achievements like Dr. Black's will resonate within the university's students and alumni. And Dr. Barnes, I just want to thank you for providing this framework for the Illinois Black Hall of Fame to honor, as you mentioned, and preserve these legacies. This is such a full circle moment. Governor State has so many hidden treasures, like the sculpture garden that many people might not know about, but I've visited. This will be just another reason to make Governor State a destination, and to bring our students there, to bring our young people here. So my heartfelt congratulations to Dr. Black on being the inaugural inductee, very fitting, into this Illinois Black Hall of Fame. And may your passion and service continue even beyond 102 years.